James. Hello, and today I'm going to be reviewing this flashlight. I don't know the name of it or who created it. I'm just going to review it to you, okay? It's a silver flashlight. It's a silver flashlight. It's pretty strong. It's bright. It runs on AA batteries. I cannot show you what brand it is because of copyright reasons. But yeah, they're AA's. And you can actually take this entire thing apart. See this entire front part? You can get into it, like the LEDs and stuff. Here, I'll do it for you, y'all. But you can, but yeah, here's the LED. The lens will come out of it and stuff, but so yeah, that was the review. Thanks. That's fun. Bye.